Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to hide hotspot on Samsung M35 device. Well, hiding hotspot can help protect your privacy by keeping the network name hidden from nearby devices. This prevents others from seeing and attempting to connect your hotspot without your permission, enhancing the privacy of your network. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. To begin, open the settings menu on your device. So, navigate to the connection section and select mobile hotspot and tethering option. Okay, so tap on the first option available, then proceed to tap on any box on the page, like this. Okay, so here look for advanced settings and tap on it. Okay, after that scroll slightly until you locate the hide network menu, and then toggle the switch to turn it on, allowing your device to detect and connect to hidden Wi-Fi networks. Okay, finally, click on Save to apply the changes and ensure that your device is set up to connect to hidden network when needed. Well, that's the tutorial on how to hide hotspot on Samsung M35 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.